Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me as I transform my half bathroom. Right here, I'm showing you guys the before. It was painted an orange color with a real cool paint technique, but just not my style. So I'm kind of pointing out things that are going to stay, things that are going to be leaving the space. The light fixture, the mirror, and that picture over there will be leaving the space. That's what I'm kind of pointing out. I talked over it, but the sound didn't come out right, so I decided to change it to a voiceover. The main things that will stay are the toilet and the sink. And up here, I'm showing you guys that the ceilings go up to 12 feet, which I will be hanging a vintage chandelier from. Yes, you heard that correctly, a vintage chandelier in my half bathroom. I know it sounds crazy, but it absolutely just takes the space over the top. I will be keeping these Pottery Barn curtains because I do really like those, and the curtain rod. I am showing you guys kind of how it's transforming. Once we started putting the white paint on the walls, guys, it just it was like, wow, it's so bright and so airy and just made the space feel so much larger than we thought it would. So I will be cleaning the bathroom. You will see a different mirror in here. We actually take that mirror and move it to the boys' bathroom, and there's a different mirror at the end. But stay tuned as I clean this bathroom and work on showing you guys the end result.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
Now it's time for me to get this bathroom nice and clean. So clean with me as I give this bathroom just a good wipe down, clean the windows, get all the dust. We had to sand down some places where we covered up holes that were on the walls. Just really nice and shiny, and getting ready to put everything back to where it belongs.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Now that I'm kind of wrapping up the cleaning process and getting everything ready to put back in, I can't wait to show you guys the vintage touches, the kind of French country, just really cool style that I think this bathroom turned out to be. So I can't believe how different it looks. It is absolutely a big transformation. But here it is, guys. We ended up going with gold fixtures. So we put that nice gold fixture above that. I got the gold mirror. I actually looked around everywhere, and Target, honestly, was the best place. I was going to hang a sign over there where I had the towel that said, "Get naked." No, just kidding. This is a half bath. Let's not make it weird. But I decided to just go ahead and put the towel there. We actually did change out the faucet, as you guys saw, and the toilet paper holder changed. We put a new toilet seat on there, not a new toilet. And these are the rustic shelves that were an absolute steal on Amazon, guys. This is an awesome company. I will definitely be linking it down below. I got a little bit different decor there from Home Goods. And this picture was I guess It's a vintage picture that my grandmother had from like the 1700s, like in England or something like that. I thought it was really cool to go with the chandelier. And there it is, guys, the chandelier. That was my grandparents'. It's a true vintage chandelier. It is missing some pieces, but up here in this space, you can't tell. And I really think it took this bathroom over the top. I'm so happy with it. It's just one of those touches that you just don't normally see, and it's kind of breaking the rules, I guess, in a way, but I absolutely love it. So if you like these kind of videos, I mostly do cleaning, decor, decorating, any kind of thing like that, home style, lifestyle. Definitely this is the channel for you. Hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Don't miss me. Follow me on Instagram at corascozycastle, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Bye.
Weeks and months and years they pass.